Guys, I'm so stoked that I found this. I've never found. Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to another Henry Got Hustle video. And in today's video, you can see in the back, I'm gonna be going to Ross. And I haven't gone in like a week or 2 weeks, so there might be a lot of stuff I haven't seen yet, so hopefully I find some good stuff. And yeah, guys, I'm about to record some footage inside, so let's go. Yo, what's up guys? So I usually like to start in the big section first, so I was looking at these. So as you can see guys, 49 cents. They don't, I think they're supposed to come with the spikes, but for 49 cents, they're not too big of a size, only size 13, so I'm gonna pick them up. Yo guys, this is funny. In the video I just made, I was saying that I had never found React elements before, and I just found it right now at Ross, so that's funny. I just found another pair, guys. These right here. They're like some Under Armour cleats. They might be either baseball or football, not sure, but they're only $5. Size 11.5, not bad. So I'll pick those up too. And there's a lot of stuff that's on clearance since the last time I came, so I'm trying to just look at everything right now. I've been seeing a lot of people on IG post about this shoe, so I'm gonna look the shoe up right now and see how much it goes for. These are pretty interesting. I'm not sure what these are, but they have a pretty sick design on the inside, and they're $36.99, so I'm gonna look these up too. Not sure how much they go for, but just give a quick look up. Alright guys, so I'm done with that big section for the men's. Now I'm gonna go to the smaller section. So Nike Metcons, $35. Not sure how much this colorway goes for, but look it up again. Found another pair of those New Balances that everyone's been finding on IG. Don't know how much these go for either because I haven't found these before, so yeah, quick look up, let's see how it goes. Just found another pair of these for $5, so I'll pick these up too. Just found a pair of these baseball cleats. They're size 9, and I don't know if I'm gonna pick them up because they're kind of dirty right here. I have a shoe cleaner, so I might be able to clean it, but looks kind of like, I don't know, we'll see. I might take them. So I just found these Nike golf shoes. This specific model right now is super flooded, so no one was even picking them up, and they're starting to go on clearance now. But even for 17 bucks, I won't even pick it up. If they're like $6.99 like before, I'll pick them up, but not for that price. Yo, if that's not a flood, I don't know what is. They got so many of those boots right there. Alright guys, now we're in the women's section, just checking it out, see what they got. Normally the women's section can be a hit or miss, to be honest, but I've gotten luck with the women's section, so don't even sleep on it. Just like check anyways. I mean, for me personally, I'm like, if you're already in the store, like, why are you gonna like be like, oh, they never find anything? Just check, you're already in here. Right, come on, they want 53 for these. This is an automatic pass. Bro, again with this $53 price point, if they're like, I don't know, like 30 bucks or less, I'd probably pick them up, but not for 53. This is pretty good. I might just pick these up for 25 bucks. I mean, I didn't even find anything in the style, but I'll pick those up for 25. People always be looking at me all weird because I have this shopping cart full of shoes every time I come to Ross, but I mean, it's part of the hustle, you know, just gotta get all the shoes you can for the steals. Not much activity here in the women's section, but I got like a few decent stuff, but not too much. Now we're gonna head to the kids section and see what I find, and I don't know, we'll see. Looks like someone's hiding these bad boys. They're 45 bucks. I'll look them up, see how much they go for. What's up guys? So right now I'm just looking up all these shoes right now. A lot of them are repeats, so it's not as many as it seems. But yeah, just looking it up, see what I'm gonna leave behind, see what I'm gonna cop. Yeah, I'll keep you guys posted on what I'm gonna take and leave.
Colin, you get this foot of us.
Okay, let's put it right here. Yeah, you're welcome. And alright guys, it's got a few pairs, nothing crazy, but I got some good deals, so I'd say pretty good. Yo, what's good everybody? So I'm at the second Ross right here, and I've actually never been to this Ross before, so I'm pretty stoked to see what I can find, and maybe hopefully this could be like a new hidden Ross that has a lot of good stuff. So yeah, let's go see and let's go. Alright guys, so I just found these Under Armour boots. They're 55 bucks, and a lot of people on IG have been picking them up. I haven't seen this specific model before, and they're Gore-Tex too, so I'm gonna look them up and see if they're worth picking up. So far I'm looking at everything here, guys, and this Ross sucks. Like, I mean, it is a Sunday, so I don't know if any other potential resellers picked up everything good. But yeah, so far it's looking super dry. Alright guys, I might be taking these home. You can see the price right here. Speaks for itself. They're a pretty big size, but I mean, for that price. Alright guys, so now I'm in the women's section, as you can see, and so far as Ross is a letdown. I mean, I haven't really found anything, so hopefully I can find something from women's section. If not, oh well, it is what it is. Guys, I'm so stoked that I found this. I've never found this New Balance before, the 990s before, made in USA. So many people on Instagram have posted about them, but so far I haven't even found them until right now. $26.99, which is insane. And yeah, they're small size, 4.5, but I don't even care. Made in USA, 990s, New Balance. That's a go right there. Yo, what's up guys? So I got a few things, nothing crazy, but I did get a super crazy find. I got my craziest find in this Ross right now. So I'll show you what I got when I got home, like in depth, how much I bought it for, how much I plan on selling it for, and yeah guys, let's go. Alright guys, so I just got back home and this is going to be the end of the video. I appreciate all of you for watching today's video, and this is by far the best find of the day. I went to 2 Rosses today, and this one, I've actually never found this 990 made in the USA before, the New Balances. And that second location, it was funny because they had nothing. It was super dry, and I was really like, damn, this rock sucks, and that they don't have anything. And I found this one peeking out. I was like, oh heck yeah. And they were only $26.99, which is crazy, and I didn't even know they're collab. It's actually KITH collab, so these actually sell for like $300 to like, I want to say $450 ranging, depending on the site, and size 4.5. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, guys, and I'm gonna do a breakdown the next video of like how much I plan on selling all the shoes I got for. And yeah guys, later.